Hello, AppWiz here, and welcome back to another straightforward tutorial video. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of deleting your call history on Messenger. So let's dive right in. First, open your Messenger app. Once you're in, you'll notice that the interface primarily displays your chat conversations. Interestingly, there's no dedicated section or option that explicitly shows your call history or logs. Even if you tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and navigate through the available settings, you'll find that there's no specific feature to view or manage your call logs. This is because Messenger integrates call records directly within individual chat threads. For instance, if you open a conversation with a specific contact, you'll see entries indicating missed or completed calls, such as, "You missed a video chat." Unfortunately, Messenger doesn't offer a centralized or straightforward method to view all your call history in one place. Instead, each call record is embedded within the respective chat with that particular contact. To remove these call entries, you'll need to go into each conversation where a call occurred. Within the chat, locate the specific call record, tap and hold on it, and then select the Remove option that appears at the bottom. This process needs to be repeated for each call entry you wish to delete, as there's no option to clear all call history at once.